Hi, welcome. In this video, we're going to look at installing the Hava CLI on macOS. So to do that, we're going to download the package using Brew. And then once that's down, we'll then install. So to use the CLI, you're going to need an API key from Hava. So the best way to get that installed is to perform an action like a source list, which will then on the first run prompt you for an API token. So to do that, we need to hop across to Hava and go into your account settings and then into API tokens. And then what we need here is just to create a new one, which you can do at any time. So just give it a name, and then the token itself will get displayed one time and one time only. So you need to copy the token and make a note of it somewhere. So once we've got that, we'll hop back to our terminal window, paste in the API key, just press enter here to accept the default location of the application and also the default location of the YAML file, and that will then be created. Now, so to test, we can just run Hava-h and it shows you the help commands, and then if we run that source list command again, it'll go off to Hava and pull back the sources for you. So there we go. Thanks for watching.